Hello and welcome to day 2, Tuesday, November 3rd. Today is election day. Remember, we are now officially in Unit 3 and Module 7. Today, we will not have Zoom class. There is no sync today because of election. So let's see what we have to do for today. Let's go to Async. You have 2 activities to do, and the Achieve 3,000 articles isn't optional. Maybe you should do it if you need to read 1 article for the week. Your first activity is in MEL. So you go to My English Lab and you will do Getting a Job. Okay. You have 2 assignments to do. It's on present perfect and present perfect continuous. Please make sure you do your MEL activities. It is great practice for you. Then you will do fact and opinion. You will read this text and you will give 2 to 3 facts and 1 to 2 opinions about the text if you find inside the text. All right. And that's it. You do have an option. This is extra work. This is optional to read the articles. There are 4 articles that I chose from Spark about the United States voting process. The first one, the Electoral College Explained, is actually going to help us understand who won and how and why they won. Okay. So you can read all 4, or you can read one of them, or if you don't want to read any, you do not have to. But it is great information about the voting process in the United States. All right. Now, it is the United States presidential election. As I tell you all the time, if you can't vote, encourage your friends and families to go vote. If you can vote, please go and vote. Every single vote counts. It will make a big difference. All right, good luck. If you need me, you know how to find me.